Okay, friends, subscriber has been asking how to use deep learning in computer aided design or in CAD and CAM. So I can guarantee you that you can use CAD and CAM, you can use RNN, recurrent neural networks in deep learning for CAD and CAM. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a CAM code and I'm going to make the network generalize it, and after generalizing the net after it generalizes I'm going to generate it. Okay, so let's go and take a sample code. Okay, let's go take a sample code from this website. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is going here CAD CAM sorry CAM CAM, a very complicated code, CAM sample CODE code. Okay, CAM computer aided manufacturing, MPUTER aided MANUFACTU. Sorry, sample CAM CAM sample code. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to copy this code. Okay, so this code is to be copied. Okay, I'm going to copy this code and I'm putting it in here. Okay, so I just got a very small code now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. So this is for completely for deep learning. So I'm going to name this as data.txt. Okay, data.txt in desktop. Okay, it is already there. No, never mind. We'll give it again. So now what you're going to do is you're going to use an advanced technique called YOLO RNN networks. So I'm going here. So YOLO V3, you just type it YOLO V3 and YOLO V3 darknet, NET darknet, and you just get here and just close all these things. Now what you do is we are going to make the network just generalize it. So you are going to this RNN network. So before visiting this, how capable, how powerful it is in CAD/CAM in deep learning, how powerful it is. As you can see, it is just generalizing everything, and as you can see, it has even generated some math theorems, which is so powerful, mathematical, and it has also generated the whole Linux repo. Okay, this is what they are showing it here. So it has replaced the, it has generated the whole Linux repo, so you can just generate everything over this. Okay, so now what we are going to do is our term is just generating CAD/CAM thing using RNN neural network. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open Colab. So I'm going to the Colab, and just click it. So you need a Tesla K80 thing, or else you have to change the session. Okay, now let's open a new file, new notebook. Okay, so after opening the new notebook, you have to check whether Tesla K80 is present in that. So we are just going to generate a very small code. Okay, that small code. So now what we are doing is we are going to the runtime, change runtime, and going to the GPU, just save it. Okay, now you have to check whether we have Tesla K80, because this needs deep learning SMI, and you just do it. So this would be the first video in CAD/CAM for deep learning. Okay, so CAD/CAM for deep learning, generating CAM codes in deep learning. So I'm going to generate CAM codes in deep learning. Okay, so it is taking some time. So we need Tesla K80. So we are very lucky that we have got Tesla K80 is about 11 GB. So now after that, what we have to do is we have to copy this repo. Okay, and I will tell you step by step what to do. Okay, so this may take a long time. You have to just wait. So just copy this and you just paste it over here and put an exclamation mark. Okay, so it will just download it. Okay, right. So now what you have to do is you have to get into this directory. So darknet is over here and makefile is over here. So you have to download the makefile. So we already have makefile in pictures, I think so. So let me open that for you. So this is the changed makefile. So I'm just opening it now for you. Okay. So in this makefile, it is just pre-compiled. So it has lots of things. But for Tesla K80, as you are seeing here, the network architecture is different. So I am telling you, this is a step-by-step procedure for deep learning for CAD/CAM. Okay. So then what you have to do is, I have another file. I will show you. I will give you the code of this file. So the makefile is over here. Okay, it's over here. Okay, now let me generate this. Okay, right. So now what happens is that this is the Tesla K80. For Tesla K80, you're just going to use this GenArc code. Okay, it is 37 SM37. So just save it, and it's in your desktop. Okay, it's in your desktop. Okay, it's in your desktop. In my desktop, sorry. So I'm just deleting this. Then what you have to do is you have to get into the darknet folder and upload the makefile. Go to the desktop. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to go and search for the makefile which you have configured. Before that, you have to check whether the makefile is configured for GPU. Okay. So I'm just making sure we have configured it for GPU. So GPU and Cudanon are on. So we have installed it. Sorry, it's available. I'm sorry, not installed it. So we are just opening this. Okay, it is telling we are after using this, it is going to recycle it. So the makefile has been done. So after that, you have to go here. Then the next thing what you have to change is you have to get here. Okay, you have to get here, and before that, you have to create a folder, right? You have to create a folder. So go into this darknet and create a folder. Okay. Not now. Okay, not now. Let it be like that. So the next thing is that examples. Okay, let's rename it as backup. Okay, BACKUP, backup, and you have to get into the examples, and you have to download this rnn.c. Okay, so it is available over here. So I have just downloaded it. So I am going to the downloads, and in here it is RNN. This is available over here. Where are you? RNN. Oh my god, it's just opening it. Okay. Okay, these are RNN CFGs. So RNN is available over here. So you just open it over here. Again, you have to open it. You have to enable GPU and everything. So after that, what you have to do is you have to search for this backup contents. You have to change this. This should be given as different one. Let me show you. For example, this is the RNN. So this is the thing we have downloaded it. So this would be in the format of this would be in the format of, let me check it now. So just find Control F, just type Control F, backup. Okay, so it is over here. So you have to change this, and you have to change this into this format. Okay, so let me show you. We have to change this content dot thing into this format over here. Okay, so just Control F, backup, showing. So you have to change it to content darknet dot backup. Okay, content darknet dot backup. So save it. Okay, after you save it, you close this RNN file. Then what you have to do is you have to come here and delete this. Okay, rnn.c, and just again get here, go to the upload. Okay, then get to the downloads. So these are all procedures to do. So go and open the RNN. Okay, now rnn.c has been uploaded with content darknet or backup folder. So now what you have to do is you have to percentage cd darknet percentage cd darknet. You have to get into this folder. So now what you have to do is, after changing everything, let me show you something. So you have to check it, go to the darknet. Okay, then go to the rnn. So let me show you. Suppose this is R.R. Martin who written Game of Thrones. So we are not going to generate this today. We are going to directly generate the CAD/CAM files. We are going to generate deep learning codes for CAD/CAM codes in here. So then what you have to do is you have to put exclamation and just make it make. Okay, so it will just make it. So I am telling you again, you need this 37 SM37 in the make file. Okay, if you have any doubt in generating CAD/CAM code in deep learning, ask me, I will help you. So tomorrow there will be another tutorial on AutoCAD thing. So I'm going to help you a lot. Okay. Okay, the compilation has finished without any error. So now what you have to do is you have to get in the code. If you need the make file, you just say me, I will just send it to you. So now again what you have to do is you have to now upload the data file. So just go here, and in data file what do we have? As you remember, okay, you just get here, data file is over here, upload it, and what you have to do is you have to get here and open the text here and open the data file, and this is the code we are going to try to generate it. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, the computer is just going to, this is my whole tutorial for generating it. So now what I'm going to do is I have just uploaded the data.file. So now I'm going here, and what I'm doing is, oh my god, okay, I'm just copying this train.cfg and I'm just pasting it over here. Okay, if everything goes correct, this should also go right. And there is one more thing to tweak. So you just go here, and this is rnn train.cfg. So in rnn train.cfg, you just have to download it. Okay, we keep it, go there, take it, change it, upload it, and that you just have to go here. Okay, and open this rnn.train.cfg, and these are all set as subdivision as 1 256 as input, and everything is given over here, and this is SSE should be given. So it may show error, so let us change it. So let's see what is happening. So it's running. So let's see, 100 iteration, first iteration has been done. Okay, first iteration, second iteration has been done. So we are just doing, so second iteration has been done. You have to do it in this sequence. If you get error, I'm sorry that you have to retrain it. Okay, ask me any doubt for deep learning for CAD/CAM, I will help you. Okay, I have to tell you, after 100 iterations, the backup folder and file will be created. It will not be created now in here in the backup folder, and after that you have to go here and you have to run the file as shown over here. Okay, how to generate it I will tell you, how to generate the codes I will tell you. Okay, till that wait for a minute. You can also use any language text also. In this we are going to generate this Andrew Karpathy's thing. In here what he is saying is that you can just generate almost anything. Okay, unreasonable effectiveness is telling that you can even generate a poem, you can generate a computer code, you can generate anything. Okay, so we are generating, as we are mechanical, we are going to generate CAD/CAM codes, and this is the most advanced tutorial I know. So this is also equal to GPT-2 or GPT-3. but GPT-3 is different because it needs millions and millions of parameters to train. So this is RNN, which has been trained for this R.R. Martin, Shakespeare, and Leo Tolstoy. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to train it beyond 100 iterations. After you get the 100 iterations, you do the sequences of steps, you will get the result and you can generate your own code. So let's see that the error is going very enormously down. Okay, it is going a lot of down, 0.007 or something within 22 iterations, or 0.7 or something in 22 iterations. So it may decrease. So let's see, we will wait up to 200 iterations. Okay, and CAD-CAM for deep learning. Okay, this is RNN network CAD-CAM for deep learning, the title of the video. So friends, for first 100 iterations for CAD-CAM deep learning applications in CAD-CAM. So this is the practical application, a practical demo of applications of deep learning in CAD-CAM, in computer-aided manufacturing. So the computer-aided manufacturing has taken a very vast thing. So now what we are going to do is we are going to apply RNN neural networks in CAD-CAM, and next what we are going to do is we are going to apply it for CAD, computer-aided drafting. So after that, after applying for computer-aided drafting, we are just going to make lots of tutorials on it, and I'm going to apply it in a manner that it is generating its own function after seeing the diagram using object detection and some advanced techniques. So let's now just see whether it can understand the technique. So it is going to over. So 97 iterations. So after 98 iterations or 99, after 100, it will just over. It will just be over, and we can just start our thing. So in backup folder, and weights will be created. So 100, okay, that's great. So it has been created. So I'm going to interrupt the execution. Okay, I'm just interrupting the execution. Okay, let it be. So now what we have to do is we have to get here, and after getting here, you just copy this and get over here, paste this. You have to make some modifications. So in order to make some modifications, you just get over here, and the CFG type of CFG we are trying to use is this RNN train.cfg. So just copy that. Okay, just copy that. Control C and get down here. So just paste it. Control V and go to the backup, copy the path and give the weights. Control V. So now what you have to do is seed. Now we are going to add an extra parameter minus LEN, length. So I'm giving up to 50. I'm giving up to 100 lines of code. Okay. So I'm just going to generate it. So and that's it. You have your could not open the train CFG file. Okay, in the CFG folder, it's in the CFG folder, a small minor mistake. Okay, so it is going to generate it, as you can see from here. So it is taking some time. So even though it may fail, but the training was done in this, so you can use this file in any other manner. Okay, so let the execution start. Okay friends, it has generated the code. As you can see from here, it has generated the code. So I have just given a seed word called billet, but you have to use rnn.cfg. I'm sorry to say that rnn train.cfg is not supposed to be used. So you have to use rnn.cfg over here. Okay, RNN, that is only for training. So after that, I am just tweaking it. So I'm going to the length minus LEN, length, and I'm just tweaking it to 10,000 parameters of this code. As you can see, the CAD-CAM code has been generated. There may be some distinctions, as you can see from here. It has generated the M30 value, M05 value, and everything correctly. It has just repeated the code here and after, but it has generated the code correctly. So this is for full and full for CAD-CAM. So if you have a very big code in maybe 2000 lines of code or 3000 lines of code, you can just generate it. For example, I'm just taking this to very far, to 1 lakh lines of code. I'm just going to generate it. Okay. So I'm just trying to generate it. So it is keep on generating it, 1 lakh lines of code. So even 1 lakh lines of CAD/CAM code could be generated. So please subscribe this channel and like this channel if you like this content, because there will be more tutorials on CAD/CAM for deep learning in RNN based neural networks. So these neural networks, RNN neural networks, I have to say you let this network generate everything as it has generated many things in Leo Tolstoy's stories and Graham's stories and everything. So this is the network, takes a vector inside, and after taking a vector, it just jumbles it up, and using a random function, it is just trying to generate everything. As you can see that it is keeping on generating it without any error. It is even able to find that bullet as some thing. If even I give this as code, it will be able to generate it. So this is the first tutorial on deep learning for CAD/CAM, the vast applications. As you can see from it is generating it, even 10,000 lines of code. As you can see from it has generated many codes like this, generating CAD/CAM codes. Okay, using deep learning for generating CAD/CAM code. This should be the heading of the, I am just changing it here and there. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow there will be another tutorial. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. So we are going to even generate AutoCAD codes also.